Emma was ready for a normal workout at the gym. Then she noticed something strange near the treadmills. At first, it did not seem important, but a few minutes later, she was talking to a complete stranger about it. And before the evening was over, a simple gym visit turned into a small mystery. Welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is slow, clear, and easy to follow. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the conversation. Here is your listening question. Why does Emma start talking to Jake? Listen for the answer as the story unfolds. When you know the answer, write it in the comments. Writing your answer can help you practice English and remember the story better. Now, let's begin.
Excuse me?
Yeah?
The gym bag.
The block one?
Yes, that one.
Yeah, I see it.
That's strange.
Why do you say that?
I don't see anyone near it.
You're right.
Do you know whose it is?
No, I'm not sure.
Maybe someone forgot it?
Maybe.
I just got here a few minutes ago.
I've been here for about 20 minutes.
Was the bag here before?
I think so.
Really?
Yeah, I noticed it earlier.
That's strange.
Maybe the owner is working out somewhere else.
Maybe.
This place gets pretty busy in the evening.
It does.
Sometimes people leave their things and come back later.
I guess that happens.
Yeah, especially around the treadmill area.
Do you come here often?
Usually 5 days a week.
Wow, that's a lot.
It sounds like a lot, but I'm used to it.
I come 3 times a week.
That's pretty good.
I try to be consistent.
That's the hard part.
Very true.
Are you doing cardio today?
Mostly cardio, maybe a little strength training later.
Sounds like a good plan.
Thanks.
No problem.
The bag is still there.
Yeah, nobody has touched it.
Do you know whose it is?
No, I'm still not sure.
That's strange.
It is a little strange.
Maybe someone will come back soon.
Maybe. Let's see what happens.
The bag is still there.
Yeah, it hasn't moved.
That's surprising.
A little, yeah.
Maybe the owner is in a class.
That's possible.
Do they have classes this evening?
Quite a few.
Have you ever taken one?
A couple of times.
Did you like it?
It was fun, but I usually work out on my own.
Same here.
I like making my own schedule.
Me too. Do you come here often?
Usually 3 times a week.
That's a good routine.
I try to keep it simple. That's the best way sometimes.
What about you?
Usually 5 days a week.
Morning or evening?
Mostly evenings.
Why evenings?
I work during the day.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I work from home.
Nice.
It has good parts and bad parts.
I can imagine.
Sometimes I need a reason to leave the house.
The gym helps with that?
Definitely.
I get that.
It's busy today.
Very busy.
Every treadmill was full when I arrived.
That's normal around this time.
Do you ever come in the morning?
Sometimes, on weekends.
Is it quieter?
Much quieter.
Maybe I should try that.
You might like it.
The bag is still there.
Yeah, nobody has come for it.
Do you know whose it is?
Nope, still not sure.
That's strange.
I was thinking the same thing.
Maybe someone forgot it and went home.
I hope not.
Me too.
It looks important.
Yeah, most people keep their gym things in one bag.
Exactly.
Well, maybe someone will come back soon.
Let's give it a little more time.
Look, someone is coming this way.
Yeah, I see him.
Maybe that's the owner.
Maybe.
He seems to be looking around.
That's what I noticed too.
Do you think he's looking for the bag?
There's only one way to find out.
Should we ask him?
Sure, let's be polite.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Is this gym bag yours?
We noticed it a while ago.
Nobody has picked it up.
We thought it might belong to you.
What do you think?
Maybe we're right.
Maybe.
Or maybe not.
The man is checking the bag now.
Yeah, he is looking at it.
That looks promising.
I thought so too.
Wait,
What happened?
he is shaking his head.
Oh,
I guess it's not his.
looks like we were wrong.
Well, it was worth asking.
Definitely.
At least we tried.
Exactly.
The mystery continues.
It does.
Have you ever forgotten something at the gym?
Once.
What did you forget?
My water bottle.
Did you get it back?
Luckily, yes.
That's good. What about you?
I left my headphones once.
Did someone find them?
The staff found them.
That's nice. I was very happy that day.
I bet.
If this bag belongs to someone, they must be worried.
Probably.
Most people keep important things in their gym bag.
That's true.
Maybe we should tell the staff.
That's a good idea.
They probably know what to do.
They probably do this all the time.
Should I go talk to them?
Yeah, that sounds like the next step.
Hi, can you help me?
Of course. What's going on?
Someone left a gym bag near the treadmills.
A gym bag?
Yes, it's been there for quite a while.
I see.
Nobody seems to know who it belongs to.
Thanks for letting me know.
No problem.
Can you describe the bag?
It's black and medium-sized.
Okay.
It was next to one of the treadmills. Let me check something. Sure.
Has anyone opened it?
No. That's good. Is someone looking for it?
Let me see.
Okay.
I'm checking our messages now. Thanks. No problem.
Does this happen often?
More often than you might think. Really. People forget all kinds of things. Like what? Water bottles, towels, headphones. Wow. Sometimes even car keys. That sounds stressful. I'm sure it is. Any luck? Not yet. Nobody reported a missing bag? Not so far. That's surprising. I agree. Maybe the owner hasn't noticed yet. That's possible. What usually happens in a situation like this? We keep the item at the front desk. That makes sense. Then the owner can come and claim it. Sounds simple enough. Usually it works well. Should someone bring the bag here? Yes, but let's make sure we're talking about the right bag first. Good idea. Can you show me where it is? Sure. Let's walk over there. Hopefully we'll solve this soon. I'm sure we will. I hope the owner comes back. Most people do. That's good to hear. Let's go take a look at that bag.
Look, Jake.
What is it?
That woman looks worried.
Yeah, she does.
She keeps looking around.
Maybe she's searching for something.
That's what I was thinking.
Should we talk to her?
Let's wait a second.
Okay.
She's walking toward the treadmills.
And she's looking at the floor.
Maybe she lost something.
Maybe.
Wait.
What?
She's looking at the bag.
I see that.
I think this might be the owner.
It looks that way.
Excuse me.
Are you looking for a gym bag?
A black one?
Near the treadmills?
Is that what you're searching for?
We found one earlier.
We've been keeping an eye on it.
We didn't want it to get lost.
What do you think?
She looks relieved.
Yeah, she does.
That's usually a good sign.
I was looking for this.
There we go.
Looks like we found the owner.
Finally.
She must be happy.
Definitely.
I would be happy too.
Same here.
I wonder how long she was looking for it.
Probably a while.
She seems very relieved now.
The stress is gone.
That's nice to see.
It really is.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
No problem at all.
We're glad you found it.
I left it here after my workout.
That can happen.
We all get distracted sometimes.
Especially on busy days.
Well, this turned out well.
It sure did.
I'm glad everything worked out.
Me too.
Mystery solved.
Mystery solved.
Well, that was interesting.
It really was.
I didn't expect any of that when I got here.
Neither did I.
It started with one gym bag,
Just one gym bag.
and now the mystery is over.
Thankfully.
First, we noticed the bag near the treadmills.
Right.
Then we looked around for the owner.
But nobody came.
We kept waiting.
And we kept wondering.
Do you know whose it is?
We asked that question several times.
We definitely did.
Then a man walked over.
We thought the bag might be his.
But it wasn't.
That surprised me.
Me too.
After that, I went to talk to Mia.
Good idea, by the way.
Thanks.
She was very helpful.
She was.
Then we learned nobody had reported a missing bag.
That's when it became even stranger.
Exactly.
I remember saying, "That's strange."
More than once.
Probably more than 3 times.
At least.
Then the woman came back.
looking very worried.
She looked stressed.
She did.
But everything changed when she saw the bag.
Instantly.
I was looking for this.
That's what she said.
And then she smiled.
A very big smile.
Thank you so much.
She was really grateful.
I'm glad she found it.
Me too.
You know, today was a good reminder.
Of what?
Small things can lead to interesting conversations.
That's true.
I came here for a workout.
And ended up solving a mystery.
Not a bad way to spend an evening.
Not bad at all.
Well, I should finish my workout.
Same here.
Have a good evening, Jake.
You too, Emma. See you around.
What a nice ending. At first, Emma and Jake noticed something unusual. A gym bag was sitting alone near the treadmills. Nobody knew who it belonged to. Then they waited, asked questions, and even spoke with a staff member. For a while, the answer was still a mystery. But in the end, the owner came back and found her bag. Everything worked out well. It was a simple situation, but it led to several friendly conversations and a happy ending. And you stayed with the story until the end. Great job. Listening to real conversations is a wonderful way to improve your English little by little. Every story helps you become more comfortable with everyday English. Now, let's go back to our listening question. What item was left near the treadmill area? If you know the answer, write it in the comments below. Writing your answer is great English practice, and it can help you remember the story for longer. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more relaxing and beginner-friendly English listening practice. And if you would like to support the channel and help us create more stories, you can also become a channel member. Thank you for listening. Take care, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next English Listening Stories. Goodbye.